Hey everybody, welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. And in this video today, we're going to be doing a Texta.ai review, and we're going to be reviewing the Texta.ai article writer. I have had this software for quite some time, you guys, but I didn't do a review on this particular software because when I first saw the software, I didn't really like it. But they have made a tremendous upgrade and change on this particular software, and I do love it. Okay. And so you guys are going to be able to take a look at that today. If you are trying to get better with all of your blog posts, if you're trying to be more consistent, and when I talk about better, I'm just simply meaning you're trying to be more consistent with all of the content that you're putting out, and you want to put out more quality content, but you don't necessarily want to do a power post every week. This would be a great opportunity for you to create some really good content using Texta.ai. Now, this review is to sort of help you walk through this particular software. It is for all of your content marketing needs. It compares itself to Copy AI as well as Jasper. As you can see, it's going to give you some content scores. I don't necessarily think the content scores are as accurate as they can be, but just to give you an idea and to get you in the frame of mind of thinking how to optimize your content, I think it's good in that aspect. Because if you're not an SEO person, or you're not a person who is used to ranking articles and blogs and things like that, you don't know the things that you should necessarily be thinking about. And this really sort of gives you a really good rundown of that and can really help you accomplish your goal there. All right. So this will help you. They've got a lot of templates, about 60 content templates in there, 27 different languages. So you've got a whole bunch of different languages that you can use for that as well. And so it's a very good article writer. And it also does a whole lot more things like give you YouTube descriptions, meta descriptions, YouTube titles, and all sorts of things. And so we're going to get into that in just a second. All right, now let's talk a little bit about the plans and the features. They've simplified it. There's really no content stacking and all of that. It's really just one plan, but you get lifetime access to it. You have to redeem the code within 60 days of your purchase and all future plan updates, and it is not stackable. So plan number one, you're going to get one user seat. You get unlimited total words per month, 31 plus languages. It's powered by Chat GPT-4. Now, this is the killer part right here. This is what a lot of people are paying extra for a month. You're able to get, without having to pay extra for it per month. This is huge. Okay, this is huge. Now, I have another piece of software that I use where I have unlimited Chat GPT-4 as well. And I don't understand why people aren't going after the products that don't cost them, a monthly subscription, and they can get access to Chat GPT-4 without having to pay a monthly fee. So think about that. All right, you got an auto mode writing assistant, Grammarly integration, default blog post templates, and you got a writing assistant, infographics, and auto mode, call to action auto mode. So you got a lot of stuff here. So it's really, really good. And of course, now they're up to 31 languages here. All right. Now, so they've got about 388 reviews. The majority of those are 4 tacos, almost at a 5 taco per review. So, I mean, it's pretty good. And it's right now available for you at $69. All right. So what I'm going to just tell you is grab it while you can. There'll be a link in the description below. Of course, it's an affiliate link. Hey guys, it helps me to continue to make great review videos like this and give you the inside look to the software. So if you like these kind of tutorials, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hang tight with me, because we're going to be growing and adding a whole lot more stuff to our channel. All right. Now, I want to go ahead and take you inside the software so you can see what the software actually looks like, and you can make a decision on whether or not it's going to be a great purchase for you. Okay, so when you initially log into Texta.ai, you guys, this is the screen that you will actually see. You got this little flasher banners at the top, but I'm going to run through this really quickly because I don't want to make the video too long, because as you can see, it does a lot of stuff. And I'm not going to go through every single one of these in this video, but I am going to highlight some of them for you. Okay. All right. So of course you can see it has blog posts that you can do blog posts. And I'm going to come in at the tail end of this video and we're going to walk through a blog post option here for you. So you got your blog posts. You can do sales copy. You got your problem agitate solution here. Why try buy. before and after bridge. You can even do a mini VSL video sales letter there. So that's also an option for you as well. If you want to do some social media advertising, you can do Facebook primary text, add primary text to your post to increase your engagement, product descriptions. You've got a whole lot of options here. Now, you also have for YouTube video title generator. Now, I want to go back to this. Let me see. Let me go view more. Let's go video. Here's your options for YouTube. So if you are a content creator and you're looking for options to help you streamline your content and make your content even faster, this is going to help you with video titles, video description, video topic ideas, video script hook and introduction, as well as video script outline. Now, if you're a member of the video know-how course, I just uploaded not too long ago a video to teach you how to write better video descriptions, and I showed you guys how to make sure that they're SEO optimized every single time, so you never have to worry about that. And so that's something that you could do there as well. You also can write your YouTube channel description here as well. And got to make sure that you do that with the keywords for your channel as well, and understanding your metadata. So if your metadata is in place here, you can use a lot of this stuff and it will generate for you really good. Okay. Now, you can, of course, go through all the rest of these, but you also have templates that you can go by. These are the templates. If you wanted to do some bulk generation, you can actually do that here, meaning it will allow you to generate those things at bulk. Okay. It also has a writing assistant here. So it's kind of like ChatGPT, where you can go in here and start asking it questions and creating some prompts for it, and it's going to come in here and spit that out for you. So everything that if you need to do that, you can do it inside of here. Okay. Now, I have done some test projects, and it auto saves some projects, and I've been trying to delete some of this, and for some odd reason, it's not letting me delete some of them, but it needs to get rid of a few of these. But I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and then we'll go back to the projects. And so as you can see, this thing still says 85 documents. So it's and these are the auto saves. So I'm going to see if it'll delete these default projects, because for some reason I can't seem to get rid of these projects. And as you can see, it makes you go out and you have to keep coming back in order to get back, to get back to the test project part. You got to click on it and then keep coming back. And as you can see, these three are not leaving. And so I may need to send this over to the customer service team and see about deleting this stuff, because I am so organized. You guys don't know. When you have a lot of these tools, you have to learn to organize yourself and really be organized for productivity. Okay. Now, what I want to do at this particular point is I want to take you guys in, and I'm going to create a blog post, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this to create a blog post. Okay, guys, now what we're going to do in this particular case is we're going to look for a keyword to write an article about using Texta.ai. And I am in the Rank Atom keyword search, and I did this in another video where I looked for a keyword. And in this particular instance, we're going to use the word content repurposing workflow. And so we're just going to copy this, and we're going to take this over to Texta.ai, and this is what we're going to use to rank our article. Okay, so what we're going to put in this particular instance is we're going to go ahead and throw up content repurposing workflow in here, and it's going to, we're going to do curated. Let's see what it can do for a how-to style. We want to do this in the, and this is a neat thing about this too. You can change how this, the tone and the output. And even with the tone, the output, you can even use a person like Neil Patel, who's a SEO, authoritative blogger. And so we're just going to click generate article. And so this is going to go out and it's going to generate the article for us. And then we're going to use this in our actual content. Okay, now here's what it generated. How to repurpose your content like a pro, a step-by-step workflow guide. This picture actually, guys, came in through the software itself. I didn't even have to do this, okay? So this is what it's saying here. Now, I don't know if I would necessarily, like I said, I don't know if this SEO score is actually okay. I don't know about that, but it's going to give you a table of contents. If you put this in something like Neuron Writer, I don't think you're going to get a 64. Now, I'll probably do another video where I compare the two, but in the meantime, this is just to give you some idea so you'll know exactly what it is, okay? So it's going to do the article here, how to repurpose content, and it's going to give you that. And it's also going to give you supercharge your content marketing with our expert repurposing strategies. Don't miss out. So this is really cool. So it's going to do that for you as well. It's also going to pull in a YouTube video for you. I have not seen very many software programs that do this for you. So that is something else right there. You can even set it up to where the quote can be tweeted. So this is really, really unique. And then it has a whole picture here, infographic. So that's something that came from Google Images. And so this is pretty cool. And I have to tell you, this is neat. And so it was able to pull all of that in there and do this long form article like this. So this is crazy. This is really, really good, guys, to pull all of that in. Now it's going to give you your content score. It's going to tell you your heading, your metadata. So you've got to start optimizing your blog post, generate your meta title now. So you can do that, and your meta description. So I'm sure that's going to go up the score. Now here's the thing that I like about this, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to make this part of the video. Have you ever had a situation where you've written an article on your blog and all you wanted to do was send an email to your email newsletter to let them know about the new blog, right? Well, guess what? Now you can, simply by hitting the generate button, this is going to generate an email for you to send to your email list so that they could just have it. And so all you have to do now is view it. And here's your subscriber's name. It's going to identify some key points from it. You just put your information in here and add to it. And guess what? You are done. That is crazy. I love AI, man. This is like, if you understand workflow, this is the bomb diggity. Okay. That's all I'm saying. This is the bomb diggity. All right. But anyway, let me get out of here. I'm so excited about this. You have no idea. So that's for your newsletter. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to generate your social media post. So now you're going to be able to generate your social media post for Twitter, better known as X, better known as not going to be here soon if, you know, that dummy keeps acting a fool over there. Then you have your Facebook post. So look at this. So if you're making your Facebook post, look what you've got already here. That's crazy. So your Instagram post, your Facebook post, and your Twitter post. So all you have to do is go into your software programs that you've already got in place, update them, you know, sort of put your spin on things, so that it has your voice, but everything's done. This is killer. I freaking love this. And to the Texta.ai people, this is phenomenal. When I tell you this is phenomenal, this is phenomenal. This is phenomenal. That's all I'm saying. Phenomenal. So I'm going to leave it at this, guys. This is really awesome. Make sure that you hit the links in the description below. Pick this up. If you want to pick up Rank Atom, make sure that you use the link. I'll put a link in the description for that as well, so you can come up with some content that you can actually rank for and start building, content clusters. So just keep building, because it's going to take some time, to rank for some of this stuff. Don't get swept up into the thought process that you don't think it's going to take time, because it is going to take some time to rank for some of this stuff. All right, guys, I'm so excited for you to pick up Texta.ai. This software program is making moves, and I love what you guys have done with this software. So you get my review and you get my thumbs up. I absolutely love this. This is phenomenal, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.